Oke, yang for the second batch, untuk batch kedua beda topik ya. Second batch beda topik. Oke, for the second batch, the conversationnya using present perfect. Untuk batch kedua, dia conversationnya adalah penggunaan present perfect. Oke, yang second batch ini seperti biasa sama seperti batch pertama, kamu boleh mau bikin sendiri atau nanti berpasangan berdua ya, later find your partner. Nah, for the second batch kalian pelajari dulu, listen first about the topic. Jadi topiknya adalah conversation kalian menggunakan present perfect. Present perfect itu apa sih? Di sini ada contohnya, she has eaten lunch. She hasn't eaten lunch. Has she eaten lunch? Jadi nanti conversationnya itu berbau yang menggunakan ada subjeknya has or have and then verb 3. Jadi dia mengandung unsur has, have, lalu verb T. Ya, nanti kalau mau bikin negatif contohnya I haven't eaten yet. I haven't been there. Ya, jadi untuk negatifnya gampang, hanya tinggal tambahkan not, hasn't atau haven't. Nah, untuk kalimat tanya contohnya have you visited Bali? Have you eaten yet? Have you called me? Nah, seperti itu ya kalimat present perfect. Pokoknya ada has sama have-nya lalu diikuti dengan kata kerja bentuk ketiga. Nah, ini contohnya di sini have you been to Bandung? Lalu kamu jawab, "Oh, I have lived in Bandung since 1995." Ya. How about your brother? Oh, we had the same t-shirt for 10 years. Jadi nanti percakapannya banyak sekali mengandung unsur-unsur present perfect ya. Nah, biasanya present perfect ini ditujukan biasanya dikerjakan di waktu lampau dan sekarang tuh masih berlanjut. Contohnya I have lived in Bandung since 1995. Berarti dia menceritakan dia mulai di Bandung itu 95 dan sekarang masih. Ya, atau bisa juga nanti conversation-nya itu tell about repeated action, bertanya pengalaman yang sering dia kerjakan. Ya, contohnya have you visited Bali? Oh yes, we have visited Bali several times. Oh ya? How about Dufan? Oh, I have been to Dufan many times. Jadi nanti ada percakapan seperti itu. Kalau mau menggunakan percakapannya, kalian gunakan untuk repeated action. Oke. Atau bisa juga nanti baru saja yang kalian kerjakan. What have you done? Kamu sedang apa? Oh, my friend have just called me. Ya. I hear something. I think someone has just knocked my door. Jadi di situ conversation-nya bercerita tentang event or action yang baru saja terjadi. Oke? Oke, before we start, this is the example of the video. Ini salah satu contoh video percakapan yang menggunakan present perfect. Ya, silakan.
Hi, Leon. Thank you for joining us in the studio this evening. Tell us about your teaching experience, your travels, all the exciting things you've done.
Well, as an English teacher, I've lived in a lot of different countries. I lived in Indonesia and Vietnam for 2 years. And in this job, I've met amazing amount of people who have traveled in different places in the world. We're a very international group, and it's really fun to talk to all the other teachers about countries they've been to.
How about your Saudi experience? What exciting things have you done so far?
I've been to Al Diriyah, which was really amazing and beautiful, and I've eaten at the Saudi restaurant, Naj Village, and I've tried a lot of different Saudi foods, and kabsa I like very much. I've tried the grape leaves with the rice in them, and I don't remember what that's called, but that's really good too.
It seems you've done everything, Leon. Is there anything you haven't done?
I've never been to the pyramids in Egypt. I'd really like to do that. I've never been to Bahrain. I've never been to Yemen. What else? I've never camped out in the desert overnight.
Thank you, Leanne, for sharing your experience with us. It was a pleasure talking to you.
Oke, so sudah no ya, nanti percakapannya itu bisa jadi kamu menanyakan pengalaman, misalkan teman kamu dia habis berpergian atau habis mengerjakan sesuatu. Jadi nanti tidak semua conversation itu harus menggunakan present perfect, tapi setidaknya ada unsur menggunakan present perfect. Contohnya tadi ada pertanyaan, do you have any experience to live bla bla bla? Kamu punya pengalaman nggak tinggal di beberapa negara? Lalu dia bilang, oh I have lived bla bla bla. Lalu dia ada kalimat present perfectnya, I have lived bla bla bla. Oke, so per second batch nanti conversationnya itu mengandung unsur present perfect. Ya, seperti biasa nanti buat percakapannya setidaknya 2 menit. Ya, tapi minggu depan harus dikumpulkan narasinya, teksnya. Ya, oke. Thank you. Any question, please chat me ya on the WA group. Thank you.